if you think that your case with immigration is taking longer than normal, if you haven't received any notices from them in a long time, there is a way to know what's happening with your case. You have to fill out an inquiry request, an inquiry form. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's go. The first thing I want you to do is go to Google and type in USCIS and then go to the home page. When you are in the home page, I want you to click in the first option to the right, check case status. Click on it and it's gonna take you to this other screen. So scroll down and in this section where it says submit a case inquiry, I want you to click in here, and then under here is gonna say submit a case inquiry, so visit page, click in here, and then it's gonna give us options right here. Like the first one is like if you believe that your case is taking longer than the normal processing time, or this one if you did not receive notice by mail or did not receive card by mail, did not receive document by mail. Whatever is your issue, you can click on whatever apply to your case. But in this tutorial I'm gonna pick this one, case outside normal processing time. So I click on here and then we scroll down, and here is the form that we have to fill out. Okay, it's about your case and you will need just few information, okay, like receipt number, the A number if applicable, date when you file, and application or petition filed. Okay, that's it. And then you go down here, and then and here you have to select what's the form that you are you know, like submitting this inquiry. So let's see, well, you can, I mean, there is so many forms you can go through, and depending your case you can pick the one that applies to you. I'm gonna pick I-130, and then form subtype. I click in here and I'm gonna read all of these, and I'm gonna pick the one that applied to my case. This is an example. So let's say I'm gonna pick this one, permanent resident filing for a spouse or child under 21. I click on that, and here you have to put down your receipt number, and you know that receipt number is gonna be, it's gonna contain 3 letters and 10 numbers. Okay, so it's a total of 13 characters, 3 letters, 10 numbers, total 13. Okay, and then you put it here, and then you have to put down here when was this file, and put the month, day, and year. And down here it's applicant or petitioner information. So in here you're gonna put either yours or the petitioner info name. So in here goes the first name, middle name, and last name. If you don't have a first name, you select right here. Okay, and then here you're going to write down the birthday, your birthday, okay, either petitioner or applicant. So you write it down here with month, day, and year, and then and here is gonna be the A number if applies, if this is optional. If you have an A number, if you are the petitioner and have an A number that comes in your green card, you can put that in here. But if you don't have an A number, so you just leave it in blank, it's not required, it's optional. But if you have like a member of the US military or someone that was discharged from the service, or a spouse of a member of the US military, you mark in here, okay? You check mark that one. And then mailing address, and this one in care of for mailing, optional. This is optional, but it's like, let me give you an example. If you live outside of United States, you live in your hometown, and you have the person that is petitioning you in the US, I will put that person's name. If you are the beneficiary filing this inquiry, so I will recommend you to put your beneficiary, your petitioner in here, okay, and his or her address in here would be the street number and the street name, and then if it's an apartment, floor, or suite, and then unit number right here, and here would be the city, and here the state. And it's important that you write down the US address. Oops, these pop-ups, oh my god, I hate them. Okay, so sorry about that. All the states that they give us are US states, so that's why if you live in a different country and you are filling out this inquiry, so you don't gonna have an option, you know, a thing to pick. So that's why this address has to be an US address. And then the zip code goes here, and right here they want you to provide the last they want you to provide the details of the last action that you receive regarding your case, and you want to explain right here in this area. And then they asking if you want a confirmation to be sent to you, and it says optional, but I recommend you to do it. So write down an email address right here, so that way you get a confirmation. And then you have to do this area filed by whoever filed this inquiry. Like I told you, it can be applicant or petitioner, also can be a legal representative or parent or legal guardian. So whoever is doing this form has to pick the right title. So let's see, it's applicant or petitioner, and then you have to put down the first name of that person, of the person filling out this form, and then the last name right here, and then you have to sign in here, or the organization name has to go in here, okay? And then after you're done with that, you are going to hit submit, and boom, it's gone. So, and then you just have to wait for them to get back to you with some kind of explanation of what happened or what's happening in your case. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helps. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.